Hi Andy, name is Priyanka. Welcome to Learning Edge channel. Today we will solve the integer type question. So what is given? The area of the triangle formed by 0, 0, x power 2, 0, 0, a power 6x is 2a power 5 square units and x is equal to minus k. Then the k value is. So the area of the after substituting the values, it is given the value is 1 by 2 power a 1 by 2 a power 5 square units. So first I don't know what is the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay. Next 1 by 2. What is x1 y1? So I am writing this as these points as x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y. Okay. So what is x1 value? 0. 0 and anything is 0 only, so no need to write. So what is x2 value? A power x power 2. What is y3 value? A power 6x minus. What is y1 value? 0 plus what is x3 value? 0. What is y1? 0 minus 0. Okay. So 1 by 2 0 plus a power x power 2 into a power 6x plus 0. That is 1 by 2 a power x square into a power 6x. So if bases are equal, what is the formula we are having? A power n into a power n. That is equal to a power n plus n. Is this in the form a power n and a power n? Yes. Yes. So 1 by 2 a power x square plus 6x. That should be equated to what? 1 by 2 a power 5. Okay. Now I am splitting these terms. 1 by 2 into a power x square plus 6x is equal to 1 by 2. So a power 5 I am writing and taking to the numeral part, then power will become minus. Okay. So 1 by 2 gets cancelled. Now what we got? X square plus 6x is equal to minus 5. Why I am doing and x square plus 6x equal to minus 5. Minus 5 when it comes to this side will become plus 5 is equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay. So what is a value and c value? So if nothing is there, so let us assume as 1. 1 into what is c value? 5. So 5. Answer is 5. What are the factors of 5, 1 and 5? So if we use these factors, we should get the middle term. Is it getting 5 plus 1 is 6? Yes, we got it. X square plus 5x plus 1x plus 5 equal to 0. What we should take common here? X. What is left here? X plus 5. So what is left here? 1 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. In these both terms, what is left? Common here? X plus 5. So what is left here? X plus 1. So what is left here? Plus. That is equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5. X plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. So for this problem, the answer is x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus. Understood? Thank you.